Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is September the 18th. My name is Henry, and the chart of the day for today is Google 45 minutes time frame here, which is the same as the 60 minutes. We are looking at an impulsive rally. I mean, it continues to make new all-time high, so obviously it is bullish without any question, right? And you can see the last pullback in the shorter cycle was in 3 waves, 1 2 3, and in fact it bounced perfectly from the 100% extension area, again confirming this is still pretty much a bullish market. Now as always, I'm going to explain the structure, the alternate, as well as potential target for the next move. And the general structure here obviously is an impulsive structure, which is a trend move in 5 waves. So we can see the main 5 waves we are looking at right now in the shorter cycle is this 1 in blue, 2 in blue, 3 in blue, and 4 in blue. Now obviously 3 in blue subdivides into another 5 waves in the red, which is the lower degree, and the fractal theory, basically every single wave subdivides into smaller waves. General structure is like this in an impulse, right? So as you can see, 1 2 in red, 3 4 5, 1 subdivides into 5 waves, 3 subdivides into 5 waves, and 5 subdivides into 5 waves in a lesser degree. Now this degree, the cycle degree, is not exactly the same as what we have, but this is still going to give you an idea where we are. So if we're just simply looking at the 5 waves in blue, and I zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, give you an idea where we are. This is the 1 2, and this is the 3 4. Let me put it here in the 4-hour, and then now we're doing a wave 5, right? So we are looking at this now without knowing the full count of the larger degree. If you do want to know that, then you can always check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link, you can use it in the description of the video. I will provide the link. Now you can see right here, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 that we are interested. So that's basically our scope for this current move in the shorter cycle. Okay, and we're going to be ending with 5. So that will be 5 waves. So if you look at it from only from this perspective, this cycle right here, then that will be similar to this general structure here. This is the beginning of wave 1, which is here. This is the beginning, and you got 1 2 3 4 5, where 1 3 5 all subdivides into 5 waves. So this 1 should subdivide into 5 waves. This 3 subdivides into 5 waves as well, as you can see in the 1 hour. 1 2 3 4 5, the subdivision of the 3 in blue, and then 5 in blue will also subdivide into another 5 waves. So where we are now is we just recently finishing this 4 in 3 waves, then now looking to finish 5. Okay, so in terms of potential target on the upside, now if you bought it here, then that's perfect. Then that means the position will be already considered to be risk-free, right? And now target on the upside, we can use the 1.236 external retracement as a potential minimum target for wave 5, which is this 257. Okay, alternate will be doing a double. What does that mean? That simply means we fail to extend and we go down again. That doesn't make it bearish at all, guys. This is as bullish as it gets. Now if it does a double, you simply need to measure the next 100% extension area. So that means this ABC becomes your W, and this becomes a lower degree ABC, right? Lower degree ABC like this. I'm showing you the alternate now, by the way. ABC, right? And the ABC zigzag ends a W, and then the current rally, if it fails to take out the previous peak, it becomes X, and then it can go down again. Now of course this double is going to be ruled out or negated if we are able to break above that previous peak. So we can get another ABC again. So we call this structure sometimes a double zigzag, because you have two zigzag link with the W and X, right? these two zigzags is linked together with the WXY and becomes a double zigzag or double correction or double 3, whatever you want to call it. So it can become something like this. Now if it does something like this, let's say if it fails go down, you simply need to measure the next 100% extension again, and then that will be the next support zone again, right? So I know this is not really I think it's too much. I think if I need to be a bit more precise, then probably something like this, right? Something like this, not too big. So something like this is another possibility here, and then we can extend higher again. So the idea is, as long as it is bullish, any pullback will always be in the sequence of 3 swing or in 7 swing. 7 swing is meaning double 3, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So that's where we are right now, what we are looking at. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more updates like this regularly, right? And turn on all the notifications. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.